Hi, this is a golden laser. As you can see there, it's to be sorted out. So the issue is I had a problem with this motor that got damaged, which is for the y-axis. And what happened is that if you check here, right? So I had to put the other motor here that I had to rewire, where else the older one there was using this connector, right? And then after we changed this one, we figured it out that this one was also giving a problem, which we followed it up. It came all the way this side, right? So if you try to turn this motor, you see it's hard, it doesn't turn at all. But this was the initial issue, and we saw it when we're cutting a block. So you'll see when you're cutting on one side it's smooth, but as soon as you go on the other side, like there, you'll see it looks like this because it was this way. So then that caused us to get the new motors. When we got another motor, it couldn't handle the driver because one of the drivers also died. And then we got the drivers. These are the old drivers, and the power supply, which okay, right, let me take it out. So this power supply died. One driver is working, but the other one is not working. So then I end up having to change to these ones. So these are the new drivers, 1 and 2, and another power supply. It's fine. So but now the issue is we still have an issue here that this thing cannot turn, and with the new, that motor still gives us a problem. So what we end up doing is that we end up getting new motors, which is the same motors as those ones, but the shaft was small. So we had to order the shaft so that it can fit here, because the shaft that came with the machine, which is this one, was too big for the new motor. So it works fine here, it goes fine, but when we put it on this other motor, that's not right. So we end up having to get these ones, which will work fine. So I'm just gonna put it at the back there and take it. So I'm gonna remove this motor, the old one. First thing first, pull out this wire, and that's the belt. And then I'm gonna get Allen keys here. I'm gonna put Allen keys around. I had to turn on the light, so I'm gonna remove all this motor, unplug it there. This is already out, and then this motor is gonna go out, and then we're gonna put the shadow on. Okay, so I placed another motor. That motor is fine there, the back. So now what I need to do is just to tension it and put another screw there. I'm gonna move this, don't worry. So this is connected, the machine is working fine, but now what happens, I need to put this motor soldered here, and I have a tool for that. I have a tool from Temu, electrical soldering iron. Wait for it. Okay, so this is what I got from Temu, a good soldering iron. I'm gonna open it. So instructions, and there's our soldering iron, sorry, and then there's our solder sponge to clean it and all that, and this is the tip. So let's try it and take it from there. Okay, there it's on. Put a tip. Now I'm waiting for it. Yes, there it's hot. I shouldn't have done that, it's painful. So I'm gonna start here, solder all that with my soldering iron. So I've done few soldering, as you can see. The Temu soldering iron works. Not bad at all. I give it a thumbs up, and it's easy and convenient because now you don't need to plug stuff, charge it. All you have to do is just charge it. You charge it over here with the C-type, and you carry it wherever you want. It's easy. It's a bit slow, so I will change the dip switches. So as you can see now, the power supply is installed. That is fine. Everything is sorted. These are the old parts that are right here, which I'm gonna take them out for the customer. Like that. Those are old, new. Now that we have a new motor there, that's been soldered and all that, as you can see, everything's fine there. Everything's fine there. So as you can see, the belt is tensioned, new motor, wires, then I just have to put them in there.